Well, breeders, the birds are back out. We've been getting some rain coming in. There's a few just taking some exploratory flights. They're not quite yet hard penned. But just glad to have them back out again. And now we'll let them go here another week or 10 days or so, and then I'll start pushing them a little to get everybody airborne and going. Molt was fantastic. It's just great to have them back out again. I know they're excited about it and they've been enjoying it. So, but everything's well at the loft, breeders. I will give an update again in a few days. The birds have been well fed. I've cut back here in the last 10 days or so. Just haven't had them hog fat, and they're in pretty good shape. They're not, I mean, they're carrying a little bit of weight, but they'll burn that off quickly. But they're by no means hog fat at all, where they don't want to fly. They're kind of right where I want them coming out of that molt. Well, breeders, have a good afternoon. We'll update again soon.